I'm in the bad line there. You want to be left.
Oh yeah, far left.
And then you want to just huck to flat this thing. Like you need to hit that with speed. You would just come down, straight down, stay left, and hit that. Virgil hasn't probably been down, so while we're waiting for him, I'm going to inspect this. Oh yeah, look at that. Now that it's in the dry, no problem. Because remember when it was, there was a
river,
a water slick partway down, we had to straighten out. Well, that's a nice.
Move all the rocks off it right there.
Oh yeah.
Move those. Here, I'll get your bike. Okay.
Get them all out of there. I wonder if guys.
I've never been down that.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Because we were surprised when you said you'd been down it. It's.
Well, you gotta think, you weigh like a good 50 pounds on the least bike out of all of them.
You'll want to have an inspection of that, Virg.
You won't do it.
Well, your bike, you're outgunned on that bike.
Well, how did I get down there?
We went to the right.
Over there?
Yeah, that's where we hiked.
I'm not fucking hunting on that.
It's a little puckery, eh, Sean? Because you get a little squirrely. And then I kind of got bounced out of the pedal on the corner. And then I had to clip in right where you are.
That drop jump, right?
This is a drop jump down here. Yeah. Let me get down here and I'll film you over it. That's the worst of it now, Virg. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording.